This is tutorial number 65, and it covers how to use the variable angle draft within Catia v5. To start off, open up tutorial part number 64, which is located on the DVD. Now, once you've done that, the variable angle draft can be found in the toolbar over here, or if you click Insert, Dress Up Features, Draft. You can click Draft, and then you can toggle over to the variable draft. Now, the variable draft, it works very much the same as the variable radius fillet that we used before. So you're going to have a line, you're going to have multiple points, and at each point you're able to define what the draft angle is going to be at those points. So to do this, let's do a draft on the side here. So let's click the variable angle draft, and the face to draft, we'll click this face here, and the neutral face, we'll click the top face here. And you can see that we have 2 points, 2 endpoints, and then we're able to change what they are, and we're also able to add points on this line to get more control of the draft. So to add points, you have to click on the points there, and then click anywhere on the line, and you'll add another point. So let's change this middle one, let's make it 20, click OK, and then we have 10 on either side. Click OK to accept, and if we zoom out, you can see how the draft angle went from 10 to 20 and back down to 10. So you're able to manipulate these draft angles to play around and to move around your draft angle to optimize it to whatever your part design may be. Now let's do another one on this face here. So let's click the variable angle draft, click this face here, and the neutral element will be on top. And let's add 3 more points. So let's just click on this line 3 times at different points. Now let's change all of these draft angles. So let's change this one to 2, change this one to 4, this one to 6, this one to 8, and the last one to 10. Oh, make this one 6, make this one 8. This one's going to be 10. And I think we have 2 8s in there, yep. So change this one back to 6. So we're going to have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 as our draft angles. Now let's click OK. And you can see how they uniformly all sweep out together, such as that. So you're able to control these points of your draft with the variable angle draft. So this again gives you more control when you're using your draft and utilizing it within your design. And this concludes our tutorial on how to use the variable angle draft within Catia v5.